Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a great shave for you today. You're going to see we're in a different bathroom. This isn't going to be a regular thing. We are using the Koraat 14.2.0. You can look at my last video. We're probably got a week's worth of growth. I actually took my clippers with the 16th inch guard and had to actually clip this down and all this down. So everything's the same length. Goatee's not a little longer or anything. But anyways, we're going to strap it up because I didn't do it yet. Mike Deckard made this for me. Ended up getting it here so I could use it. You know, not at the house obviously, but we're gonna do a video. We're just gonna give it a few laps. I strop when I'm done. You know, should I be doing like some stropping music like Steve used to do? Steve Walker, yeah. Doty 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 do, doty 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 do, doty 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 do, do. There we go. There's our stropping music. I think we're fine. Sorry, a little off camera. So guys, today what we're gonna use is MacDuff's American Vintage, man. Great scent. We're gonna put base ingredients followed by scent notes, and it's leathery, really leathery right now off this is how I'm going to explain it. But you can look at the scent notes. It's a great scent. I really enjoy it. I picked up the soap. The splash wasn't available. And you know what? Matt Fox got me the splash because he just happened to be at TRC. He told me not to tell anybody. I didn't tell anybody back then. That was over a year ago, Matt. You know what? So everybody knows Matt Fox picked up the splash for me. Awesome dude. You know, Foxy Matt. And here we are. You know what? I'm lathering up. You know what it's time for? We're going to pull a little DK. All right, guys? So this is from New Heights Brewing. We have a coffee and vanilla golden cream ale. This thing is lovely. Let's get the ABV. What is the ABV on this? I don't know. We'll see it at some point. Like, where are we here? 5.6%. The IBU is 28 for those of you that care. All right, coffee and cream. Our nothing fancy cream ale brewed with vanilla beans and tres banderas, an espresso blend from Costa Rica, Ethiopia, and El Salvador that was locally roasted by our friends at Crema. This light coffee forward cream ale is balanced with vanilla and is perfect for winter yet light enough for summertime. And that is the truth. This is a year-round beer, guys. In my opinion. Oh, it's lovely. So we are using whatever kind of beer glass this is, but it holds the entire can well. Tampa Bay, it is what it is. Oh. And we're just gonna let it like glug into the glass a little. You know, less carbonation on the stomach, make you feel less bloated, right? All right. Proto lather from the MacDuff's. This is MacDuff's, right? I know this is MacDuff's. Yeah, collaboration with the Razor Company. It's a little weird. You know, we're off set up, so. Anyways, we'll get this knocked out. We're going to mow down some growth. This is a great scent, guys. Pick it up. Like, I'll put links below if it's still available, but it's got to be. There's no way Jason got rid of this. I don't expect to make a great lather tonight. I just need a serviceable one. Dinner is warming in the oven. Leftovers, shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is awesome, guys. There's a little bit of water in there. You know what I'm saying? Some lamb, peas, carrot, whipped potatoes on top with some cheese. Kind of golden on top too. Very nice. Excited about that. I don't know how many people watch me here, but DK was live on Instagram like Sunday night, I think it was. And yeah, we ended up popping on, and person I'm seeing, Amy Lee, and I hopped on and just like did the live with him. Banaka was in the Easy Money of War Life was in the comments. It was a good time. Enjoyed myself. I was a little drunk. We were all a little drunk. DK was probably more sober than anybody. There we go. At least all the people on the live. See if we can make I'm not trying to make like a glorious lather. You know me, guys. Right now it's serviceable. I'm trying to get to some freaking shepherd's pie, man. All right, there we go. This is Yaqi. I do like their coins. You'll see it. The Yaqi. I don't know how lighting is for this bathroom, but anyways, it's like seashells and stuff and like some seaweed. It looks very cool, you know, very nautical, beachy, shall we say. Man, this is a great scent. Pretty strong, guys. Pick it up. It's phenomenal. It's awesome. I like it. I want to get my hands dry before I use the Koraat. All right, it's been a while. We're going to be quiet. This is your time to go to 2x speed, guys. Yeah. That appears to be good hydration. It's not a beautiful lather. It's not a shell lather, but it's definitely working. There we go. This is where I felt like I had a pimple today. Man, that's a lot of hair coming off. There we go. Wow. That edge feels so freaking good. I was a little leery, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Haven't straight razor shaved in a while. Hey, it's just like at my house. TV in the background. There we go. It's feeling good. Oh man, that feels good. It smells phenomenal. If you don't know, my left hand is not my dominant hand. So I'm a little slower. And my dexterity is just not here. Like it is with my right hand. How's that look? I think we're passable here. Like he's kind of a little bit more. It sucks setting completely. Yeah, now I gotta bring this side in and I'm not as good over there. So now I gotta use this hand. I just go a while between shaves. If I screw this up too much, it'll still be good later. And I think it did. I'm not happy with that. Too far in, not far in. What do we think? Too thin? Yeah. I agree. But it's what we're working with. One more pass and we are done. It's going to be the money pass. I need to take a sip of this. This is great. This is my second one, guys. Straight razor shave. So I see myself on this and I'm looking in the mirror. It's confusing, man. You know how it is, different setup, and I'm really used to filming in the same place for like 4 years now. And that's now changed just a little. You probably won't see a video in this bathroom again, even if I do one again in this house. Only reason I'm using this one's got a bigger countertop for a straight razor. I could use the one upstairs. We'll see. We'll see if it becomes a thing, right, guys? Nice. There we go. Boom. I gotta dry the hand. Just so you know, I did travel with the TRC bougie towel, man. Gotta have the bouge. Put that. Will that work there for now? There we go. That works. All right, money pass. Oh yeah, guys. I'm not as quick as I used to be. What are we at, 12 minutes? That's a good pass, guys. Felt glorious. I said about 20 minutes. We'll see if that works. Like shave will take like 16 to 20 minutes is what I said. But I think this may be a 16-minute video. Look at that. Y'all realize how long it's been since I used a straight razor? Oh man. And Mike, using the case too, had to put it in the travel case for coming here. Might have used too much pressure through here, it feels like. But I do have breakout, it feels like there's a couple of red spots like right here and right here. They're probably pimples. Too much facial hair oil. Does that make sense? All right, guys, you know the drill. We're gonna rinse up, be right back. Final thoughts. You know the drill. Hey guys, we are back. Hopefully this goatee looks, I don't know. Maybe I need to bring it down a little more over here. That's what we're gonna end up doing. See, shouldn't be doing this. Is that a little better? We'll say that's it. Do not do that at home, guys. That was definitely after a dry face. Shouldn't be shaving on dry skin. It is not a good idea. Definitely need to get all the off of this. All right, guys, we are almost there. American Vintage Splash. Do we have alcohol in this splash? I'm getting old, so I don't see as well as I used to. I don't think it does. It's from Canada. Alcohol makes it harder to ship internationally. Oh, it's milky. Oh, it's glorious. So you get, now there's that woods coming through. Oh, that's beautiful. Lovely. Not a bad shave, guys. I mean, I probably could have gotten closer, but we needed to be light-handed. So, that's crucial. You know what, though? Yaqi brush. That thing performed really nicely, and I like the seashells, you know. It's a little Teton shave-ish. Teton's shave-esque. There we go. But, you know, I like it. And normally I don't like gold in the bottom, but it kind of looks like sand, so that's okay. But guys, if you have not picked this up, this is a phenomenal scent. I'm going to double check, but I guarantee Jason did not stop having this made and keeping it in there because it is a great scent, and I know a ton of people that love it. Surely it's available. Check the description below. Maybe there'll be a link if you're interested. All right, guys, that is it. If you made it this far, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that noti bell. MTB out.